Record. Awesome. Well, welcome, guys, to today's call. Today is a special day. We have CPI news this morning. As you guys know, CPI is a big event because it determines the inflation, right? It's the change in price of goods and services. It's a consumer price index. Go to forexfactor.com. You guys can read through this, get more information, more details, and study the numbers. It actually went down by 0.1%. It came out to 3.4. The previous number was 3.5. And it impacted the dollar. The dollar dropped. You see, I have the dollar on the right side of my screen. You see, as soon as when you hit price up, no, this is, yeah, let me see, 5. Let me change my time zone. I have a central time. Okay, there you go. 5:30. Price dropped. Okay, on the dollar, and gold shot up. You can see how it did the opposite. Now, I like to use a dollar as my confirmation as well to see where price is heading. Gold went up 180 pips to the upside. And now it's coming back down, right? It's pulling back down. We have New York open in 20 minutes. So right now it's positioning itself for New York open. And I see it trending down, right? I see it right now, it's retesting this area and then it's going to drop. Okay, that's what I see. I'm still bearish on gold. But I had this marked up yesterday. Right? I had this marked up yesterday. And I know Tony was on his call. I literally told him last night what was going to happen. And it did exactly just that. I told him, hey, it's gonna shoot up, and then it's gonna wick, take out this liquidity, and drop. Right? I told him exactly that. It's gonna shoot up, liquidate, take out these sellers here, stop them out, and drop back down. And you guys should have taken a sell here. Okay. I didn't take the buy. I took the sell. Okay, so I'm currently in profits right now, and I see it trending down. I'm not changing my analysis. I'm not changing my bias. I'm going with it, and because I see this happening way too many times. People can take advantage of this buy, can capitalize really big on this buy. But I'm looking for the after move. I'm looking for the pullback. I'm looking for what happens after the news. So let's take out the dollar here real quick. Just want to see gold right now. Okay. And let's really study this, guys. Okay. So looking at the 4-hour, what do we see? See higher highs, lower highs, lower lows, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Let's create a higher high. It's about the same. It created an equal high. See, this is an equal high. Okay. The 4-hour candle is still below this structure here. Okay, below 2375 area. And price, I'm sorry, gold respects these key levels. Okay, these are whole numbers, psychological numbers that gold specifically respects. Okay, it respects price. And this is why I love trading gold, because it respects these key levels. Okay. And yeah, market opens in 20 minutes. So you're going to see some movement as well. All right. So be prepared for that. Now we have an equal high here, and it's creating a head and shoulders, right? Is this it? What do you guys see here? What do you guys see? Let me know in the chat. What do you guys see here? Double top, bearish. Yep. What do you guys see? Do you see market continuing to the upside, creating more higher highs? Or you think it's creating a equal high? Or you think it's going to continue to the downside? Because look at this. We've been on a downtrend since April 18th. Okay, we've been on a downtrend. What do you guys see? M. Okay, yeah, it looks like it's forming an M. All right. So this is what I see, guys. So create an equal high. And it's going to look similar like this. It's going to look similar to this right here. Okay. You see how I went on a bullish run, and then it whipped, and then it dropped. Okay. At the 4-hour time frame, we've been on bullish since May 13th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bullish candles on the 4-hour. Okay. So I see the same pattern happening. What happened here is going to happen here, right? It's going to come down, respect 2340 area, and then potentially break below, retest, boom. Because we also have money here. There's money here. Okay. It's liquidity. All right. Now that's what I see at the bigger picture. That's what I see. Okay. If price breaks below 2340 and closes below and retests, then it's going to continue to the downside. And then I see money here. There's money here that hasn't been closed, right? And there's also money here. Okay. Let's look at the 1 hour. You see now, looking at the 1 hour candle, ahorita estoy mirando que, let me see, sí. Dan, ahorita estoy mirando que hoy se está vendiendo el oro, porque yo miro que el mercado está, creo eso, después va a ser lo mismo que hizo aquí antes, que subió, después bajó, ¿ok? Lo mismo está pasando aquí, subió y va a bajar, porque ahorita se está posicionando, ¿ok? Sí, correcto, está bajando, sí, porque en el 4 horas el mercado hizo esto, subió, después bajó. Y lo está haciendo lo mismo aquí. Subió, después está bajando. ¿Ok? Y el mercado está bajando. ¿Ok? Está creando lower lows, lower high, lower lows. Después está bajando también. Aquí creo un equal high aquí. ¿Ok? Y después va a bajar. Porque está creando un M. ¿Ok? Y Magna Verete también enseña más sobre eso, Magna Brete en Forex y también Evan Cabral. Okay, yo estudio Evan Cabral y Magna Brete. Ellos dos son muy buenos, okay, sobre eso. Okay, y mirando la 1 hora, looking at the 1 hour, guys, okay, we have a bearish candle and it's about to hit my TP1. I have my TP1 set up at 2365. Let me just manage my trade here. Let's see. Let me just move my stop loss to break even. Hold on, guys. 75. Who took to sell with me? Drop it in the chat. You guys took to sell. Pon en el chat si vendices oro. If you guys took to sell, or if you guys took a trade this morning, put a 111 and let me know, guys. If you guys have any questions, feel free to unmute or drop it in the chat.
Do you see it coming down all day?
Well, there is obviously going to be some pullbacks, but I do see it trending down. Just follow market structure. Follow market structure and look for the next break and retest. At this point, follow market structure. Have your zones marked up and just go based off price. So here at the 1 hour, as you guys can see, I have my zones marked up. Okay. So at 2375, you see how it took out this liquidity here, took out this right here, came up, and then wiped this liquidity, there's money here, and it came down. Now at this point, we have New York opening in 9 minutes, 8 minutes. Just follow market structure, okay? It's all the break and retest, okay? throughout the day, right? It's just going to react to these key levels. Okay. All right. This is what I look for. All right. This is what I look for, guys. Okay, John, I appreciate you for hopping on. But this is what I see, guys. TP1 just hit. Okay. And then I caught the sell here around 23.74, 23.75 area. And I'm riding all the way down. And then I'm just managing my trade throughout the day and looking for the break of structure. Whenever it hits my TP1, I'm moving my stop loss and taking partials. Okay. And then I'm just going based on market structure, breaking retest. Okay. Yeah, but overall I do see it trending down. But obviously you're gonna see some pullbacks, right? That's normal. Don't be afraid of pullbacks. Don't be afraid that, you don't be surprised that you see a bullish candle. It's just a pullback, right? And then, but overall it's trending down. Okay. That's what I see. Does that make sense? No. 15 minutes. CP1 just hit. Awesome. Okay. Now looking at the 15-minute, you guys can also take the trend line from uh, this wick to this wick. The breaks below is 23.65, closes below. Okay. Wait for the retest. You guys can enter here for a sell. Take it from 23.65 to 23.55. If you guys missed out on this morning's trade, no problem. Just wait for New York Open and wait for the next opportunity, right? Wait for the next break of structure. If it closes below, okay, closes below and you get a bearish candle here. Wait for the confirmation candle, comes out red, then take it. Okay, take the sell from 23.65. Wait for the bearish confirmation candle, and then ride it all the way down to 23.55. That's a total of 100 pips. Or if you want to do 50 pips, just do from 23.65 to 23.60. Okay. For my scalpers, but if you want to hold it a little bit longer, just ride it from zone to zone. But make sure, guys, you wait for that confirmation candle. You see it forming here. See how I wicked there, respected the support zone, 23.65. Broke above, and then it closed below here though, 23.75. It never closed above 23.75. Because this is a strong resistance zone. Okay. Now it's trending down. But I see it breaking below 22.65. We have 3 minutes left on New York Open. Let's see what happens. 1 hour. We still have a bearish 1 hour candle. Okay. Let's see what happens in 3 minutes. But this is a another opportunity. This is a potential entry here for a sell. Price below. Looking at Impulse. Let's check out Impulse real quick. Let me refresh it. You guys can use Impulse as a double confirmation as well. Right now it's giving me buy signals because obviously what happened this morning pushed price up. Okay, it's giving me buy signals. And with Impulse, guys, is good for like scalping. Like it works a lot better with scalping. Let's see. Right now, it's giving these micro pivot lines. And they either respect or it may break below. Let's see what happens in less than a minute. So it's giving me a bearish candle at the 5 minute. 15 minute. So bearish. Right now, price is respecting that area, at 23.65 area. So resistance broke above, created support here at 23.60. 23.60 broke above, and now it's coming back down. See it coming here. 23.60. This is my internal zone. 23.60 can be your internal zone, right? Again, I have outer zones and I have internal zones. Okay, my outer zones are like my hourly zones. Okay. and they're 100, at least 100 pips apart. Okay. And then I have my internal zones, which is like my blue zones. Okay, just like I have it here, bottom. Okay. These are my internal zones, which are like 50 pips apart from each other. Okay. So 2360 here is my internal zone for the at the 15-minute. You guys can catch a trade for my scalpers. You guys can wait for the break and retest, catch a trade, catch a quick 50 pips, the downside. Or if you want to hold it to 23.55, you can. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, it's respecting that zone. 16, 61. Let's go, Dana. Where did you what was your entry? ¿Qué era tu entrada? ¿Dónde entraste? ¿En oro o entraste en oro? Okay. Let's go. Okay, okay. Drop some fire emojis in the chat for Dana. She took profit on gold. ¿Dónde entraste? ¿Qué precio? Fue mi 23, 22. Sheesh, okay, okay. Let's go. Yeah, guys. So obviously, this is just a pullback. You see a bullish candle here. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bearish candles. So right now it's sell dominant. Okay, sellers are coming into the market and they're pushing price down. All right. The buyers came in when news dropped, buyers came in, liquidated, took out all this money right here. Okay. And I told Tony, I told him exactly what was gonna happen. I told him, hey, price is gonna shoot up, okay, and it's gonna liquidate all these sellers. Okay. Here. This is all money. Okay. If you guys want to study more smart money concepts, institutional trading, study Mike Navarrete on Go Live. Mike Navarrete, he goes over this. This is where I get my info from Mike Navarrete on Go Live. Okay. He studies smart money concepts. And this is what I see. And that's what I applied here. Okay. There's money here. Okay. And I told him, hey, price is gonna shoot up and it's gonna wick and liquidate all these sellers. And then it's gonna shoot down. And that's exactly what it did. That's exactly what happened. Okay. And now I took advantage of this. Now I took to sell up here. I'm in currently yeah, 50 plus pips in profit. My TP1 just hit. Now I'm just managing my risk, managing the trade, and I'm waiting for my TP2 to hit TP3. But yeah, I'm just going based off of market structure now. obviously price is going to pull back. You're going to see a pullback happening, which is normal. That's okay. Don't be afraid if price is going to pull back on you because it's going to happen. That's inevitable. All right. Price obviously is going to shoot up and then it's going to shoot down. Okay, it's gonna shoot up again. Probably respect this area, and then throughout the day, you know, just got to manage it. It doesn't have to be. It's not gonna happen just instantly like that. You gotta have patience. This is where patience come in. All right, patience is the name of the game. You gotta be patient with this family, and I see it happening way too many times. All right, because 2370 is also a key level, right here, 2370, right there. You see how it touched 2370? 2370 right here. I touched it. 2370 area. See how it wicked? Study these candles, guys. Like really study these candle patterns. Look how it wicked. Now it's coming down. Okay. And eventually it's gonna just break below and then retest. And then it's gonna do this formation. So yeah, guys, be patient with your setup. Trust your analysis. And what I like about gold is that it respects these key levels. And that's why I have these zones marked up. Let's look at impulse. Impulse is still giving me yeah, still giving me buy confirmations because it's above structure. Okay, it's above the structure and price is above this EMA line, which is okay. Let's check out Oris. And with Oris, it's going to give me these key levels. I like to check both scanners. Let's see here. You see, it broke below 2370 area. Now it's retesting that 2370 area. Guys, this is all money right here. All these buyers are going to get liquidated. This is all money. Okay. So price, what's it's going to do is, it broke below 2370. It touched, it went up, touched 2380. came down, broke below 2370. Let me zoom in so that way you guys can see it. What is price doing right now? What is price doing right now? There's a 15-minute time frame. Price broke below the zone, 2370. Closed below, now it came back. And it's giving me a bearish candle. Okay. So it came down, up, and then it's gonna trend down. It's gonna respect this price. Trend up to 2365. That's another key level. And then it's gonna trend down, close below, respect, boom. When you see price doing this, when you see that it breaks above structure and then respects here, okay, it touched and then it trends down, breaks below this, breaks below 2370 zone. When it breaks below a structure, expect a retest, and then it's going to continue to the downside. And as you guys can see, overall, the market is heading down. Now, when price breaks below 2360 and retests, okay, breaks below, wait for the retest for the next sell entry, and then write it down. Okay. If price respects its support 2360, because it was a resistance, broke above, became a support here. This is when news happened here. This is news here. Okay. And now it's coming down back to the support level. And it's probably going to retest again. It's going to support it a little bit. And then it's going to break below because support is now going to become a resistance. Okay. Support now becomes a resistance. When support becomes a resistance, okay, now it's trending down. It's on a downtrend. Okay. It's in a bearish run. Now, this game is all about probabilities. You want to gather as much confirmations. Obviously, it can either trend up or it can trend down. Okay. So sellers are coming into the market. As sellers dominant. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 bearish candles at the 15-minute time frame. Sellers are dominating right now. So go with the momentum of the sellers, right? So I'm looking for sales. I'm looking for the next break of structure because I already had a break of structure here. Okay. This was a resistance. Resistance became a support. When news hit, boom, it shot up. Respect to 2380, never closed above. Okay, it failed to create a higher high. Now it's turning down. Broke below this zone, 2370. And now it's supporting this zone, 2360. Because there was price action going on here. Okay. Now I'm looking for the next break of structure. I'm not looking for the buy. I'm looking for the next break of structure. Okay. This is already a support level. Yes, this is a support level. Currently it's supporting this level here. Price is supporting this level. Okay. But I'm not buying. I'm not taking any buys because, overall I'm looking for sales. And also I'm looking for Break of structure, break and retest, guys. Break and retest. Whenever you see zones, when you're trading from zone to zone, go based off market structure and break and retest. Okay. That's really what it is. And it applies for any market. When you guys draw support and resistance zones, because this is all supply and demand. That's what it is, supply and demand. Support and resistance zone is the same thing. Supply and demand. Supply is your resistance, demand is your support. Make sure you guys write that down. Supply is your resistance, support is your demand. Okay? It's the same thing. Support is when the demand is high, when there's buyers coming into the market. Resistance is like where supply, where sellers are coming into the market. You're supplying, you're selling. Does that make sense? Demand, people are buying. That's the best way to remember it. Okay, so like wait for the next break of structure. Okay, it's supporting the zone. Yes, but eventually it's gonna break below. Okay, because overall it's on a bearish run. And now that I have my support here, I'm waiting for support to now become a resistance. I'm waiting for this move to happen. Boom, boom, boom. And boom, boom, boom. Trade from zone to zone. And this is 100 pips, okay? Step 10 is 100 pips. $10 equals 100 pips. So each every time price fluctuates, all right, it's fluctuating $10. All right, every time price moves is moving by $10. Okay, that's step 10, 100 pips from 2350 to 2360. That's 100 pips in total. Step 5 is more for my scalpers. That's $5. Okay, 50 pips from zone to zone. Okay. Now, as you guys can see, price is breaking below the zone, 2360. You see that? Now it's breaking below 2360. Wait for the retest. Wait for price to retest before you take your next sell. Okay. Dana, nomás estoy diciendo que espera cuando el precio baja y después quebra y cierra abajo de esa zona y espera para el retest. Cuando viene para atrás a subir al retest, puedes entrar aquí para otro venda. Puedes vender en el precio 23.60 en esta área y puedes vender hasta abajo a 23.55. Y tu stop loss puede ser 23.65. Okay. Make sure you guys are muted. Let me meet somebody here. Pues Cisco. All right. So, si puedes hacer esto, sí, puedes vender aquí. Okay. Ahorita, look at that, guys. Price is dropping. What did I say? What did I say? Price was gonna break below structure. I'm not making this up. I'm just following market structure. I'm just following market structure, guys. Like I'm breaking retest. That's all it is. Are you guys seeing this right now? Are you guys seeing this with me right now? I get the 5 minute. Now, let me see. Let me Sheesh. I'm about to hit TP2. Oh, snap. TP2 just hit, coach. Let's go. Yo, who's whoever took the sell, who's in profit? Cause yo, let's go. All right. Now wait for the retest, guys. You have another opportunity for the sell here. All right. Let me move my stop loss. So move my stop loss to let me get some partials here real quick. Let's see 5. Wait for the break, wait for the retest, guys, at 2360. You guys can take another sell right there at that price. Because expect a pullback. Don't get in right now. Wait for the hour. Okay, we have 7 minutes left for the next hour. Price reacts every hour. Okay. Don't get in yet. Sheesh. Let's go. All right. Let's go, Cisco. You took it, bro. You what did you take? You took gold or what? Dan Auto TP. Let's go. Okay, okay, okay. Yo, y'all making money this morning. Let's go. Yo, I love seeing you guys. You guys are taking action. I love it. Yeah, guys, wait for the hour. We have six minutes left. All right. And you see how I broke another structure, 2355? Okay, you can either wait. So there's okay, you guys have two options, all right? You guys can wait for the pullback at 2355, okay, and take the sell down to 2345. Okay, 2350 can be your TP1. 2345 can be your TP2. You see how it's pulling back up? Or it may go above, touch here, take the entry here, right all the way down. Okay. So price can do either of these two things, all right? If price continues above, wait for the next zone to take the sell. Okay. If price closes above this structure, but if price respects the zone and it forms a bearish candle, wait again, guys, wait for the confirmation candle. Wait for the bearish candle. Okay. I'm not entering right now. We still have 5 minutes left on this hour, okay? Wait for the bearish candle before you take it. Okay. Same thing here. Wait for the bearish candle before you take it. Don't take it right now, okay? Because it's giving me a bullish candle. You guys see that? Right now it's giving me a bullish candle. Wait for the confirmation candle. Wait for the bearish candle to form before you take the trade. All right. Use a candlesticks as confirmations before you enter. And also look at the time. We still have 4 minutes left for the next hour. And price reacts every 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, and every hour. Okay. So wait for that. You see, I have my confirmation checklist here. Let me pull it up. Get my confirmation checklist. Where is it? Here somewhere. There you go. Here. Okay. So market direction, we figured that out, right? It's on a downtrend. Support resistance zones, 1 hour time frame, internal zones, 15-minute time frame. Okay. Liquidity. Oh, I forgot to add. Oh, what happened? Let me add confirmation candles here, because that's another confirmation. This can be 4, 5, 6, 7. Confirmation candle. There you go. Here's my confirmation checklist, guys. Write it down, take a picture of it. You guys can see that? Okay. Look for market direction, support resistance zones at the 1 hour, internal support resistance zones at the 15-minute, confirmation candle, liquidity, which is money. Look at the time, and then confirm with the scanners, impulse or ORs. Okay, that's my confirmation checklist, and this is what I use. All right, that's what I use. Now look at this 1 hour bearish candle. Okay, that's trending down. 15-minute, we have less than a minute left for the new candle to form. We still have a bullish candle here. Wait for your confirmation candle, right? Wait for that bearish candle to form before you take your trade. You guys can write it down. So stop loss can be here, 2260, entry right there. Now that's pushing price up, right? Now go to the next zone, okay? Wait for that retest there. Stop loss at 2265, entry at 2260. It's a 1, 2, 3. I'll wait for the close of the 5-minute. Okay. $23.55. Oh, there you go. Okay, this is another key level. All right, 23.55. Okay, 23.55. But I would wait. Okay, I would wait for the next bearish candle to form before I take my trade. $15-minute. Just give me a bearish candle, which is good. So the support zone, you see how it liquidated here? It took out this money here This is all money. Now price came down to liquidate, to take out all these stop losses, all these buyers. People bought here, and now they're being stopped out. Looks like price is breaking below the structure now. You guys can move this. Wait for the next candle to form. All right. See here. You guys want to be more safe, right? You guys want to wait for the 15-minute mark. We have 11 minutes left. So if you guys want to wait for the next 15-minute candle to form, then you guys can. Let's see how price reacts here. If it closes below 23.55 and retests, then take the entry here. Or if it closes above 23.55, then wait for the next setup here at 23.60. Okay. So you guys have two options, right? You guys want to gather as many options. Okay. Or it may come back up here. You guys can take the sell here. Right? Just follow market structure, guys. Just go based off market structure. Okay. This game is all about probabilities. So let's see how price reacts within the zone here. 23.60. If it gives me a bearish 15-minute candle, then you guys can take the sell here. Like I said, every hour, every 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, every hour price reacts. Okay. Right now, price is reacting the 1 hour. So I'm waiting for the 15-minute candle. I like to look at the 15-minute candle, especially before I take my trade. I'll take my trade off of the 15-minute or 5 minutes sometimes. 5 minutes if I'm scalping, right? Like this morning with news, I used a 5-minute candle to take my entry because I knew it was gonna wick, it's gonna move fast. So I take my entries at the 5-minute. But typically with New York Open and during these sessions, I take my trades off of the 15-minute, depending on the 15-minute candle. Okay, if the 15-minute candle closes below or above structure, if it right now it's respecting the zone here, right? It failed to close below 23.55 to retest. Okay, that's okay. So I'm gonna look at the next zone. I'm gonna see how price reacts at 23.60 if it's gonna close below or within my structure. If it opens up bearish, then I'm gonna take the sell. All right, at the 15-minute time frame. So I have 9 minutes left for the next 15-minute candle to form. If it opens up bearish, then I'm gonna take the trade here for a sell. If it closes above, okay, I'm gonna wait. If it closes bullish and it closes above 22.60, I'm not gonna take the trade. I'm not gonna take the sell. Wait for a confirmation candle. If it closes bullish, then wait for the next zone. Okay, at 23.65 and do the same thing. Okay, do the same thing, and that's how I go. That's how I go about it. Does that make sense? I'm waiting for my confirmation candle to form. Okay, does that make sense? Voy a esperar cuando el 15 minutos ya termina y yo estoy esperando para un candle de vender, ¿ok? Un bearish candle. Ahorita no voy a entrar. No voy a vender ahorita porque voy a esperar para mi confirmación en 15 minutos que me está viendo un bearish candle. ¿Ok? Si espera el nuevo 15 minutos, porque ahorita está comprando, te está dando un bullish candle. ¿Ok? Si cierra aquí, adentro de esa zona, 23.60, y abre un bearish candle, un vela rojo, voy a entrar. Pero ahorita no voy a entrar porque está subiendo. Si sube y cierra arriba de esa zona, ok, voy a esperar y voy a entrar aquí, en la otra zona, 23.65. Y voy a esperar para mi confirmación aquí también, antes que vendo. Ok. So, yo estoy mirando zona a zona, zona a zona, zona a zona, ok. Porque en oro, especialmente el oro, respecta estas zonas, estos key levels, zonas 23.65, 23.60, cada 10 puntos, cada 5 puntos, cada 10 puntos, respecta el precio. ¿Ok? Así, así va el oro. ¿Ok? Porque respecta esos precios. Y no quieres entrar en precios como 23.68, 69, 23.67, precios no es whole numbers, que no es precios. Necesitas entrar en precios que es cada 10 puntos o cada 5 puntos. ¿Ok? So these are psychological numbers. These are whole numbers that gold respects. Okay. So you don't want to enter at random numbers like 2367, 2369, or 2257. If it's not a whole number, then don't enter. If it's not respecting, these key levels, and it's not if they don't see an entry there, don't take it. Don't take these trades at random numbers. Okay, they are not key levels. They are not whole numbers. Okay, I'll wait for trade for the trade. I'm sorry. I'll wait for the price you know to respect these zones, to respect these key levels. Okay, before I enter my trade. Now you see the 15-minute time frame. See how price is breaking above 2360. Okay, I'm gonna wait for my next setup. I'm gonna wait for this right here at 2365. Okay, I still have 4 minutes left, 5 minutes left on this candle. Okay, I'm gonna wait for my bearish candle to form because I'm looking for my confirmation candle. All right, you guys are getting some value. Drop some 111 chat box, drop some fire emojis. You guys are getting some value. I appreciate you guys for hopping on. I'll end it here. Yeah, guys. So, back test, study, and be patient. Be patient, trust the process. Yeah, guys. So this is a potential trade idea at 2265. Wait for the bearish candle to form. Right. You can set up your stop loss at 2270. 2270. $50 for 123 right there. Okay, so wait for the bearish candle to form before you take the trade. You guys want to wait what happened? You guys want to see what happens? You guys want to wait for the next candle to form, or you guys want to end it here? Let me know. You guys want to wait for the setup to happen, or you guys want to end it here? You guys want to wait? Okay. Yeah, let's watch this together. See how price reacts. You guys, let me see here. Let me just delete this. We have 2 minutes left. Let's just wait and see what happens. All right. 365, 360, 550. So now price is giving me this wick. $65, 23.50. TP1 can be your 23.60, TP2 23.55, TP3 can be 23.50, stop loss 23.70. We have 30 seconds left for this candle. See price is pushing down. Yeah, guys, you're good to enter. At the 5 minute, you see, you guys enter now. You guys can enter for the sell. Okay. $23.61. You guys can enter here now because it's within right here. 710. It touched here. 23.63. $23.60. It's in the 23.60 zone now. 22.61. You guys can enter anywhere within the zone here. Stop loss 22.65. 2360 is your entry. Anywhere within the zone. TP1 can be 2355. TP2 2350. TP3 2345 for 1 to 3. Stop loss at 2365. You guys want to wait as well? Like, if you guys want to be more conservative, you guys can also wait for the break of structure. If you guys entered way too early, it's okay. You guys can close it out and just wait for the break and retest. Wait for the 30-minute. Yeah, just wait for the 30-minute mark to hit. You guys want to be more conservative, more on the safe side, and wait for the break of structure. As of right now, it's respecting that zone there. At the 5-minute, this was also like a good entry here, but it's pulling up. So trade at your own risk.
Hey, Carlos.
Yeah.
Hey, bro, I had a pending order in here, but I'm on the 1 hour time frame. I have my stop loss. I had my pending order at 2360,
Uh-huh.
and I have my stop loss at, hold on, 2340. And my take profit at 2340 and my stop loss at 2370. Do you think that'll be fine?
370.
I'm at the 1 hour mark.
Yeah, I'm looking at it.
I'm
23,
just gonna let it sit. So
60, 370. That's 100 pip stop loss, bro. But you're
yeah, I
swinging
mean,
it.
I'm just, yeah, I'm swinging it. That's why, bro.
Yeah, I mean that's your trading plan. Yeah, if you have yeah, that's fine. I don't feel like price is gonna
Shoot up.
come back up. Yeah, I feel like it's gonna. Yes, yes, it's giving you a right now. It's on a pullback.
Yeah, yeah,
And
yeah.
it retested 2365. So yeah, I see it trending down. So that's pretty good, bro. You're good.
All right.
I'm still
Whew.
I'm still bearish. I'm still bearish on this.
Yeah.
Um,
Yeah,
right
I'm
now it's
pretty
just
bearish on
prices.
it too. The dollar. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm pretty bearish on this. I'm not changing my bias. Like, I'm still bearish, and price right now is just pulling up, and it's right now is like respecting 2265 area, and it created a support zone here at 2255. So yeah, I
Yeah, I'm
still
waiting for
see
it to
it trending
drop back
down.
down, man. I'm just gonna let it ride, bro.
Yeah, is that right? If it ends up pulling back up, it's okay as long as you have the stop loss set up. That's fine.
Stop loss
But
at 2370.
yeah, 2370. Yeah, so yeah, right. Just be patient, guys. It's normal seeing this, prices pulling up. Don't be afraid. That's normal. But overall, I'm still seeing a bearish movement. It's just gonna take time, takes patience, and you know, just go based off market structure. And that's what I see, guys. If you guys want to be more safe for my scalpers, for my intraday traders, just wait for the next break of structure before you take your next entry. I would wait for this to happen. Okay, before I take my trade, 23, I wait for the break of structure, enter at 2360 area, and then write it down at 2345. So 1, 2, 3. So 2355, I'm sorry, 2360 can be your entry. 2355 can be your TP1. 2350 can be your TP2. And then 2345 can be your TP3. So 2350 can be your TP2. Okay. TP1, TP2, TP3. Wait for the break and retest. Boom. Enter. Stop loss at 2365. And right now it's like retesting that zone. Which is okay. All right. So I appreciate you guys. I'm gonna end it here. Thank you guys so much for hopping on. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Let's run it up, guys. Have a blessed day. And wait for the setup, all right? You're welcome. You're welcome. Have a blessed day, guys. Let's go.